Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say sorry for being kind of gone for a long time. I was on a little break before my fall semester starts, but we are back and better than ever, ready to record a new video for you guys. Okay, today I'm going to be trying Polygel nails for the first time. Now, I'm going to be following a tutorial on YouTube, and I'll link it in the bio if you want to follow the same one. I ordered all of this Polygel kit stuff off of Shein because they can get really expensive. There's a lot of stuff that goes into it I didn't even know. I feel like I can just teach it to myself. Like, I'm somebody, I look at something, I'm like, I could do that. I could do that. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna try it, and we're gonna see. Because usually I've gone and gotten acrylics done and I just don't like the glue. So I usually do press-ons. But press-ons can get kind of expensive if you're doing them twice a month. So I started looking into other forms of like nail extensions. Because I like my nails being longer, but they always fall off or they get caught in something and I can never keep them long. Anyways, without further ado, we're gonna see how it goes. So the first step that I have to do, I don't know if you have to do this step, but I have nail polish on, so I need to take this off. So I have a little nail polish remover and some cotton pads. I guess I could have done this off camera, but oh well, we're already here, so. Already here, girlies. Bro, this nail polish does not want to come off. This is why I hate nail polish. It just takes forever to get it off. Ow. Dude, my hand is cramping already. Okay, I finished one hand. I also got the new She Glam jelly blushes that are the milk dupe ones. She's really cute. I got it in like a peachy color. I was very impressed by the packaging. I was expecting something cheap, but no, it's like actually good. But I'm wearing it today. It's definitely a very natural color, so I try not to do too much makeup. But I found the easiest way to apply it is to get your blush brush or like some kind of brush and tap it on there and then blend it. Because it's a little hard to blend when you put it directly on your face. It just kind of stains as a dot and it dries really, really fast. So you have to blend super fast. But other than that, I feel like it looks very natural. I do like it. I thought it blended fine. All right, finally finished. The damage done. In the video, it looked like she did something to prep her nails. So I don't know if I need to buff my nails before I put it on. I'm really not sure. I think I'm just gonna put it on my natural nails and just do it like that. Anyways, these are the materials I have. I have my Polygel. I'm using light pink. I got a kit that had a bunch of different ones. But this kit, it has a milky jelly white, a clear white, a pink, and then a nude color. I like that because it had different options, and those are the colors I wear on my nails. These are like the little nail shapers. I don't know what they call them. You need a slip solution. Then you're gonna need a brush. This one is like a dual-ended one. It has like a little spatula to like scoop it out, and then the other side is a little brush. That's what you're gonna use to shape it on there. Then you're gonna need these like little clamp things, and apparently that helps keep it from like bubbling or something. Then you're gonna obviously need a little LED UV light thing. So that's everything you need. First step, she says, is to pick out nail forms that are a little bigger than your natural nails, because if it's too small, it'll make your nail brittle. Here's an example. It looks like this, and then it has the little ridges, so you can measure, okay, how far. Okay, here are all my nails picked out. This is my pinky, ring finger, middle finger, and pointer finger. Okay, should we do my pointer finger first, I guess? You're actually putting the Polygel on the nail shifter, spreading it out, then placing it on your nail. We're just gonna go for it. It's a little sticky, it's a little messy, not even gonna lie. I have it spread out on there. You're gonna dip your brush in the slip solution, because hers didn't look sticky. It looks like this. So now I'm gonna press it onto my nail. How are you supposed to do this with one hand though? I mean, I think that's right. Now you have to put it under your UV lamp for 2 minutes. It's like going underneath my nail. Why is it doing that? Okay, I had to switch over to my bathroom, but you put it under here, so I'm just gonna wait. The 2 minutes is up, so we're gonna see. Did it work? I think it's just taking so long because oh wait, it feels promising. She said just pop it off. I did it. Okay. What is that? Hey, you know, that's not bad though. I can work with that. I have a little nail kit here, so I'm trying to get it off. The cuticle I fixed. Oh, there's an air bubble. Like, once I get the hang of it, I think I could really get a good nail going. You know what I mean? But, I mean, I'm kind of pleasantly surprised. I mean, it really wasn't that bad. Dude, there's this... I don't know how I'm gonna do a whole other set of hands, y'all. This took 30 minutes just to do one. Okay, I got my heavy duty nail filer. The other one, just not cutting it. This one is made of glass. This is how the nail turned out. Now we just have to go through the rest of the nails. You can tell I'm really excited about that. Now we're gonna do the middle nail. And hopefully, now that I know how to do it, I can do it a little faster. Get a real good glob. Okay, middle nail, boom. Hopefully this one turns out better. Yeah, it's been a few hours later. I finished one hand, and I got tired. And they turned out kind of cute, actually. But I got tired, and I took a nap. But we're back again, and I just started again. Oh, my phone is right here. I was like... So, I just did my pinky nail on my other hand. This is what it looks like every time I take it off. Look, see, I missed a little section here. I don't know how that happened. This is not for the weak, y'all. And I'm bleeding. I think I'm just not very good at this. Definitely wanted that to happen. Where are my nails? Oh. How are you guys doing? I'm fine. Okay. I'm not okay. This is stressful. I just want to finish so I can take my bath. I start my masters tomorrow. Yeah, it's a little shorter. Put your back together, and if that's true. It's been about an hour and a half later, and I finished my other hand. I think it turned out okay. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next week.